Chapter 49. Now then, Charles, said Mr. Lemoncello, would you like to utilize any of your remaining lifelines, perhaps an extreme challenge, and ask an expert? Yes, sir, said Charles, and may I just say, it's kind of you to come in here and ask me that question. Well, it's cloudy with a chance of meatballs, and I had nothing better to do. Pardon? Nothing. Just a brief flight of fancy, my mind sailing off past the phantom toll booth. So, which lifeline would you like to use? My ask an expert, sir. Fine. See Mrs. Tobin at the main desk. I must go to my office to monitor Kyle's extreme challenge. What's he doing? Trying to beat you. Toodles! Mr. Lemoncello raised his beret by its stem, turned on his heel, and headed for one of the bookcases on the far side of the rotunda. Charles watched him tilt back the head on a bust and press a red button in the middle of what could have been the man's neck. A door-sized section of the bookcase swung open. Mr. Lemoncello stepped into the darkness. The bookcase swung shut. Charles hurried to the librarian's desk at the center of the rotunda reading room. Mrs. Tobin! Mrs. Tobin! Chop, chop! I'm in a bit of a rush. The doors upstairs will be open in 13 minutes. Mrs. Tobin! The holographic librarian finally appeared. Good morning, Charles. How may I help you? I need to use my Ask an Expert. Very well. Whom do you wish to consult with? Someone who knows his way around a library. If that is all you require, Charles, perhaps I can be of assistance. I need to talk to my Uncle Jimmy. Your Uncle Jimmy? Could you please be more specific? Yes, of course. James F. Willoughby III. The James F. Willoughby III? Yes, ma'am. The head librarian of the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. is your uncle? That's right. If my mother's brother, Uncle Jimmy, the top librarian in all of America, can't help me find the one book I'm looking for, nobody can.